In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files into Google Drive and optionally convert them into Google Docs format. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their digital document management and collaboration efforts. Whether you're using Google Drive for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to efficiently upload and convert your documents can save you time and enhance your productivity. To get started on your computer, you'll first want to open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure that you're signed into the correct Google account, as this greatly influences where your files will be stored and accessed. This little step can prevent future headaches of searching through multiple accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll see the left sidebar on your screen. Here, you'll click on My Drive, or navigate to any specific folder where you'd prefer to store your uploads. This choice is crucial for organization, especially if you frequently upload files. Keeping your Google Drive tidy will help you locate documents quickly when you need them. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll find a button labeled New. Click on this and you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can choose File Upload if you're looking to upload individual files, or Folder Upload if you have an entire folder of documents to upload. This flexibility means you can customize your approach based on your current needs. Once you make your selection, you'll need to browse your computer to locate the file or folder you wish to upload. After finding your desired file or folder, click Open, or whatever similar option your system provides to begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you'll notice that your files will appear right there in your drive. If it's important for you to keep everything in its right place from the start, you have the option to move these files into specific folders after they've been uploaded. Now, let's talk about conversions to Google Docs format, which can be particularly handy if you're dealing with Word documents that you want to edit collaboratively. In the Drive interface, you'll want to click on the gear icon, which represents Settings. In this Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format. By checking this box, any compatible files like .docx documents will be automatically converted into Google Docs format during upload. This feature is a real game changer for seamless editing and team collaboration. Lastly, if you find clicking through menus tedious, there's an even more straightforward option. Simply drag the files or folders from your computer directly into your Drive browser window. This drag-and-drop method is incredibly intuitive and provides the same result without navigating through multiple menus. And there you have it, a complete guide to uploading and converting files in Google Drive. Happy uploading!